Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming compatibility. Make sure the TV supports HDMI 2.0 and the Super Console accepts USB 3.0 power or data. Once done, verify the HDD is an XFAT or NTFS. Backup files now to avoid loss. Next, plug the HDD into the console's dedicated USB port and use a short HDMI cable to connect the console to the TV. Make sure the console has power. If it needs external power, attach the adapter before turning anything on. Once powered, switch the TV to the HDMI input and use your controller to open the console menu. This is where you mount storage. In Settings, choose to format or mount the HDD. Formatting erases data, so only do it if you backed up. After mounting, allocate partitions for games or media if the console supports it. Then point the system's media and library paths to the HDD and start a scan. This tells the console where to find games, ROM, or videos for quick access. You finish by testing a game or video to verify playback and controller responsiveness. Make display or audio adjustments as needed. Once satisfied, enable auto mount or faster boot options so the HDD is recognized next time. Always safely eject the drive before shutting down to prevent corruption. If the console fails to see the HDD, try another USB port, confirm the HDD is receiving power, and consider reformatting to the console's supported file.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.